Okay, so in Python, there are different kinds of data types like numeric, dictionary, Boolean, sets, and sequence type. In numeric type, there are three kinds like integer, which will store only the whole numbers without any decimal number, and complex number. It's a special kind of data type where the number plus another variable will be added and will gather in this type. And the float means it's a real number like a decimal point number. Here you can store the decimal point value. And dictionary is the another kind of data structure or data type. By using we can store different kind of data. That means we can use any integer, any floats, or any sequential list or sequential type data. We can store any kinds of data here. This is the special kind of data type. And Boolean is only two types. Is it true or false? It only stores these two values, otherwise it will not take another kinds of values. If we enter any other types of value, then it will give us the error. And set is also a special kind of data type where we can declare our data and we can store our data. Sequence type, actually this is especially for the text, or we can see for the string. So here the data type is also different, and these are divided into three types like string. String means it could be a character, it could be one character like any alphabets, any numbers, or it could be the words or a sentence. A list is another kind of data type where we can store data as a list. And tuple is same as like a list, but there have some difference. We'll see this one while we'll do in practical. Okay. So we are closing this one. Actually, this is the scenario of the data type of a Python. So we are going to the code now. Here we have to create a new form, or we can use hello this one. At first you have to configure this one from here. Hit configuration, and here the script path we have to choose hello start, and then click OK, click apply, click OK. That's it. Okay, so we are deleting this one. We are talking like, say, A is equal to 56, B equal to 52.63, and C is equal to S or Iman. Okay, that's it. Now we will check what kind of data is this. What kind of data is this? We have already declared A, B, and C, and we have assigned, we have initialized the value inside the variable like 56, 52.63, and in C we have entered Iman. Now we will check the data type. So we will print this one. Print. Okay. The type of not the type, the variable type of A is type. We want to know the type of A. That's it. Now, what is going on? It will be plus symbol here. Okay. Okay, then print the type of E is plus type B, and then again print 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 put3 the variable type of C is yes.
আপনি গত আপনি আগে স্লাইডে কি দেখালেন জানি স্যার, অনেকগুলো টাইপ নিয়ে কথা বললেন।
Actually, I didn't understand what you're talking about.
আমি বলছি যে আপনি গত আপনি যেটা এখন স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করছেন, তো তার আগে যেটা স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করেছেন, তো ওইটা
we have talked about if else function in the previous class, and we are talking today about the data type. We have also discussed the basic discussion has been done in the previous class. Now we are talking in details. So we want to know by this line that we have declared here 3 variables. What are their types? Okay, if we run the program, what will happen? Error type can only concatenate a string, not type. Okay, we will not give anything here. We'll just give a comma. Okay, comma. That's it. The error we have find out, and here is the variable type of A is class integer type, because you see here they have no decimal point. In A we initialize only the whole number 56. That is why the class of A, that means the variable class of A is integer, and here B says that the variable type of B is class float. Yes, here B is the float value, because we are using here the decimal points. The decimal point is called float in programming. So B, the class type of B, the variable type float, and C says the variable type of C is class string. Str means string. So you see here we have already declared the variable C, and we enter some character inside the variable. When we will input the data, or we will initialize the data, according to the data the program will decide what kind of variable will it be. Understand?
Yes,
according
sir.
to this type, or according to the data, or depending on the data, the program will decide and declare the variable in the memory. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if we talk about I wanted to talk about many things, but time is short. in this short time we have to declare okay data type. We have also the type of data which is called we have already seen a dictionary list, like list. If we see like list, so we are calling them f list, and we use here third bracket, and we are entering data like upon Arman Romali. Oh, we have to use quotation mark. What? No. That's it. We declare this one, or declare variable name. Have there any problem? What it says? F list type rename to. Oh no, no need. Okay, I want to see print and print F list. I want to show this one. That's it. What is this notion? Okay, no matter this one. We are writing in capital or small. Okay, now if we run the program, we are running this. So here, see, in the list we have 4 names. We already declared this one, and we want to check the type. Okay, print type of F list. What is the type? I want to show this one, that the data type we have declared here. What kind of data type is this? Okay, we are running this program again, showing this, and it says class list. So the variable type, or the variable, the class of this variable is list. Okay, so if we want to access data in a list, we need the index number. We have already discussed about this while we are discussing bubble sort and merge sort. Do you remember? Okay, now I'm saying here I want to print the data f list here from the, I want to position 3, whose position is 3. I want to print them, or print him or her. Okay, if I run the program, yep, in the list, the 3 number 3 here says the list position number 3. I have given 3. That is why at the second line it gives us the output notion. Why it gives the notion? If we see here 1 2 3 4, 4 number is notion. So why it gives us notion, although we have declared here 3? Because the memory or the index number is start from 0. Do you understand? Do you remember this one? We have talked about this. That is why it will count at first 0 1 2 3. So notion is 3. Okay, if I change the okay, for the proof, we are declaring 0 number position. Okay, if you print this one, what you will say? The first number, the 0 position is upon. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, it will change the position, the index number. Actually, at the third bracket, by using variable or beside the variable name, using the third bracket, we use the index number of a list. As a result, we can get the value of that position. Then in position 2, Rumali, 0 1 2. Yep. That's right. Okay, we have seen here, and there are another kind of dictionary. Dictionary, in dictionary, if we say, then we can declare the value. Okay. They have another way, like dic. This is the variable, and we are initializing value. Remember this one, when we will declare the value of a dictionary, we use first bracket, and inside the first bracket, like 1, and we are declaring upon, and comma, and then 2, and then nothing. Okay, now I want to print this one. Print dic. I want to see is it right or wrong. Oh, here it says we have errors, unexpected say expression one syntax. So this is a big mistakes. What is going on? What will be the here? The data type of dictionary. Maybe it will be like this way. Actually, I'm not sure. Although trying to do this one, I forgot this one actually. Is it okay? No, this is not okay. Okay, we'll see this, or we'll talk about this later, or otherwise you have to find out the dictionary type data declaration in Python. You will search on internet and you find out this one. And another thing, we are talking about, and I have given work, I have given a task to you. Did you solve this one? We will take 3 numbers and we'll compare the numbers which is biggest. Who has done this? আমি চেহারাগুলো দেখতে চাই। Hello? Who have done this? Nobody. Very good. So we are taking 3 numbers, like A is equal, we are taking input. Okay, at first we are taking integer input. We have to mention before input. Enter the value of A. Okay, we are copying this one. Control C and Control V, Control V. We are just changing the variable. Sorry, like B. And this is C. Yeah. B. C. So we are taking 3 numbers, and we can apply the if else function or if function else function in different way. So if you want to do this one, so look here. I'm saying here, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then what will happen? What is going on here? Then print A is the biggest number. That's L if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then print B is the biggest number.
Sir, our class time is over.
Class time is over. How
Yes,
much
sir.
time we have taken? Else
7 minutes.
the print C is the biggest number. Done. So if I am saying if A is bigger than B and C, then A is bigger. Otherwise, if B is bigger than A and C, then B is bigger. If the both condition is not support, that means if C is not, if A and B is not greater than C, then C is bigger. We do not have need to compare this on here. We just we got our answer after two comparison. So if we play the program, yeah, we are here. Like first number is 33, second number is 23, and third number anything 45. So that says C is the biggest number. Yeah, that's right, because C is 45. Okay, if we run this program again, then it will ask like 15, 12, 10. Oh, A is the biggest number. In this way, we can use the if and else function or if and else condition. We have also another thing that we must have to discuss about this. Okay, we'll discuss this in the later class. That's it for today. If you have any question, then you can ask me.